Starting around the 7th of May 2023, Theta organization is exchanging at 96 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.1% in essentially most recent 60 minutes. Or so they really thought. Theta for the most part has in every practical sense. All-out market cap of $962,335,966 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,838,805, which in a real sense is very huge. This really makes Theta organization lovely positioning at 50 in the digital currency market in a significant way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Theta organization cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Theta organization in a real sense be especially worth in 2023 in a fundamentally enormous manner? Is Theta organization a kind of wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is very huge? Will Theta cost outperform its unsurpassed high, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking? These really are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value forecast 2023. As per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Theta cost especially is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.30. The normal truly least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be $1.25, which explicitly is very huge. Besides, Theta can arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $1.44 in a significant manner. Theta organization value expectation May 2023. Theta organization cost in every way that really matters is supposed to basically reach between 97 cents to $1.09 in May 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Theta for the May generally remains around $1.06. Theta organization value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Theta organization cost in every way that really matters is estimate to arrive at a barely the least cost of $1.06, which generally is genuinely huge. The Theta cost could arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $1.14 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $1.10, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta value conjecture July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Theta organization in every practical sense is supposed to really arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $1.10 in a sort of enormous manner. The Theta cost could generally arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $1.18 with the typical cost around $1.14 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization is supposed to for the most part be at around an extremely least of $1.12. Exceptionally further appearance how Theta value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Theta organization sort of is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a sort of least value worth of $1.10, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization cost can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $1.23 with the extremely normal cost of $1.17 in USD, which is very critical. Theta value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Theta organization especially is gauged to in a real sense be at around a genuinely least worth of $1.16, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Theta organization value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $1.28 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $1.20 in USD in an unobtrusive way. Theta organization value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the greatest cost for Theta organization could in every practical sense stretch around $1.34 in an unpretentious way. Moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in October 2023 certainly is $1.21 with a typical cost of $1.25. Showing how Theta value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Theta organization in every way that really matters is determined to for the most part be at around a by and large least worth of $1.16, which generally is genuinely huge. Theta organization value expectation November 2023. The cost for Theta organization in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1.23 and $1.39 in an exceptionally significant manner, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1.27, which especially is genuinely huge. Theta organization value expectation December 2023. The cost for Theta organization in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1.25 and $1.44 in a significant manner, while the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $1.30, or so they for the most part thought. Theta organization by and large past value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished by 1.66% in its really current worth, or so they in every practical sense thought. Assuming we really look at the truly current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, or so they thought. The Theta most certainly is down to nearly 5.07% in the very most recent 7 days and in every way that really matters, large way. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past beautiful few days. The coin could generally have major areas of strength for exceptionally yet. We don't really believe that it would a beneficial resource in certainly present moment, exhibiting how Theta organization value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Theta organization could for the most part stretch around $1.34, which by and large is genuinely huge. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta generally diminished by 9.042%, wiping out an incredible pretty normal amount of 9 cents from its kind of current worth, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a for the most part great truly purchase a potential open door for by and large fast speculation, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change truly is around 4.50%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a truly least typical cost of 88 cents to really greatest normal cost of 96 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days, which is genuinely huge. In truly most recent 4 months, Theta organization for the most part has shown a developing pattern in a sort of significant manner. Accordingly, we really feel that comparable pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, which most certainly is very huge, as indicated by the fundamentally the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Theta organization essentially is expanded from 4 months, which in a real sense is very critical. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost amazingly. The coin in a real sense is up by 19.39%, with the extremely greatest sort of typical cost of the coin sort of was around 76 cents and the fundamentally least fundamentally normal cost of by and large was around 72 cents in sort of beyond 4 months, which basically is genuinely huge. Theta organization value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Theta organization truly worth in 2023? The Theta cost especially is determined to by and large arrive at a greatest degree of $1.44 within every practical sense, least cost of $1.25 toward the finish of 2023, or so they really thought. Does Theta organization have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Theta organization by and large has a remarkable sort of potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, which essentially is very critical. It is figured that Theta will increment in esteem, as per in every way that really matters. Explicit specialists and business expert. Theta organization can sort of raised a ruckus around town much the most exorbitant cost of $6.87 till 2030 in a kind of significant manner. Is Theta organization truly worth purchasing in 20